What is going on, guys? My name is Lextasy. Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can tell, we have like 40 cars behind me. The street racing in Mexico is a legit thing again. It's been so many months, literally, since the last time we did it. It's always been the same 4 and 5 cars that do it. So finally got a freaking ton of cars that came out here. Now they're not all gonna run. My main goal for today is actually just to really run the GTR on the RS7 and Michael and his Hellcat and a few other cars, but turns out we got like half of South Carolina that came out as well. So this is going to be good. They're all kinds of power levels. I think I see a Z01 out there. I see some C5, C6 Vets out there. You know, I got some minor work done to it. So this is going to be a long but fun night. I mean, we literally got to figure out how to fit like 30 to 40 cars on one highway, and we don't do, you know, a lot of pools. So this is going to be very interesting. The weather is like 60 degrees, which is perfect boost weather. So we're super excited about that. Now the RS7 only has about less than half a tank of E85 left, and I have like 4 more gallons just in case. So I can't wait to see this thing perform. I'm going to run this car. My buddy's going to drive the GTR, and we'll see what that looks like. But let's get this action going, guys. There might be some money races going down too. The boys up ahead are going first. We're lined up with the C6 Vet. You guys know the guy, or at least his car is. Let's try to do a 40 roll. We're in the RS7, so that's what I'm excited about, guys. This is gonna be an interesting run, guys. A 40 roll on this compared to him. I'm gonna see if I can honk it off. Wow, I'm so pumped right now. I can't believe that. Yo, we might actually go after now. I mean, it's our own boy. We're supposed to fight the SC guys right now, but it got stuck in 4th gear. Did you feel it? Where it's like rev limiter just it would not shift.
And then all of a sudden,
yeah, I mean, it's like it's literally shifting like 8,000 RPM, which is fine. But in the 4th gear, it won't shift on its own, even though when I pushed it through, it wouldn't go. So I got to keep that in mind. But that's the only reason he started catching back up. But then as soon as I shifted, he was gone.
Yep, that was fun.
Oh, man. That's North Carolina. So that was just like one race out of many to come. So we raced in the RS7 against the C6 Vet. We kept in front of that C6. The GTR never did that. It did like half a car length jump, but then that sucker just reeled it right back in. Not in this case. So that's going to be interesting. They're kind of having a little bit of a slight argument about who won on that one. So the Hellcat, of course, ran the C5 and a few other cars as well. The BMW, I think. Hellcat won by like half a car. So that's super strong. I don't know what they're saying is just like full bolt-ons on the C5. I don't know, man. You can't believe anybody. And when it comes to racing like this, at least we're all good friends. I mean, there's like 100 of us here, but I mean, nobody's fighting. Nobody's going to be arguing. We're going to try to run for money. The night's still super young. I just put 2 more gallons of E85 in this car because, well, honestly, I'm super impressed. So the only thing is, like, when I'm in 4th gear, I need to keep my eyes open, and when I see that I'm in 4th, shift it myself. But besides that, I mean, this car is incredible, guys. The C6, the GTR never stood a chance. So I really want to call out on this Hellcat and whatever else wants to run. But let's get this show on the road. Okay, so right now, guys, here's the game plan. On the way there, we're gonna run a Hellcat and an M4 60 roll, which is kind of like not here or there, so it's gonna be really weird for me. And then on the way back, we're running the C6 again. We're gonna run the Hellcat, and we're gonna run a built 3 Series BMW. So this is gonna be really good. Now that's gonna be a 40 roll, which is where we shine. Freaking 4th gear, man. It got stuck there again. That was insane. I am super impressed with that car right now. With this car, screw that. Did you see that, babe?
Yeah.
That's insane. It was not running away. Oh, the GTR was getting spanked. Yeah. I can call it right now. I do want to see him run, but I really can call it and tell you right now, oh, we're getting like 8 miles a gallon. That's perfect.
Okay, yay.
We do not have much left, and we still got a whole night ahead of us.
Oh boy.
So this should be fun. But wow, guys, I'm so freaking impressed right now. I'm not even joking. This next race is going to be interesting. It's just, for some reason, this car does not want to spool up. It takes a second, because I'm mashing. I really have like a good 1.5 lag, so that puts me behind a second. I got to play catch up, but super impressed. Wow, that was not what I expected.
How did that guy say you have to do the fourth?
Oh, I completely forgot.
Remember?
Yeah, the traction control. Wow, that stupid farting noise. That's been holding us back, guys. Magic button activated. Thank you, babe. I completely forgot.
You're welcome.
Oh, this is about to be different. We're losing literally half a second on the 0 to 60 by not turning that off. What do you think of that? I mean, there's no like BS about it. This car's faster than the GTR.
How does that make you feel?
Yeah, that's the part we're not going to talk about. We're not going to share feelings right now.
Sell it.
Oh yeah, or I mean, the E85 is waiting on me. I just got to get mine on the E85. That's all it's waiting on.
It's not worth it.
Of course it's worth it.
It's not going to do nothing to you.
Oh, you mean it's going to spank you though? That's going to happen.
Oh, please. After what I just saw, nothing.
But think about it this way. We're keeping up with the Hellcat slightly. I mean, he's rolling away, but not as fast as from the GTR. But we're also dig monsters. With all the torque that we have such a big advantage on lower rolls, which is amazing. And of course, digs is like, there's no way around it. We would destroy a lot unless somebody came on like a real tire and all. So on the way there, you want to do a 30 then? Me and you got no problems with that. Because I want to do a 30, 40, and a 50. So perfect.
I didn't even try to follow or anything because they
lined up and they took off, so he didn't even do nothing.
I just sat there. I didn't even try.
So we could line the scat packing this up.
What happened, bro? How was it?
I got a dub. He didn't go.
Oh, for real? I thought all y'all raced, no? Who went?
We were like halfway down Mexico. And he was still like trying to line up. And he...
Ready, babe? Gotta beat him, man. I gotta get It's the last run. Last run for tonight with the Hellcat. Honking right there. That's like every race so far, nobody has honked. I don't understand.
I thought Michael was.
Yeah,
Michael
I didn't hear it.
jumped.
I'm always just freaking playing catch up every time. Golly, man. But here's the thing, they didn't lose us. Nissan Versa. That's all it is, man.
I remember they were all supposed to turn red.
Yeah, traction definitely needs to
Does it matter what order?
No, it don't matter at all. Okay, there we go. Now it works. That's a first. I've never seen it not go into track mode. That's weird. It's never acted up like that. I don't know what's going on there, but I'm trying to find the Z01 so we can run them real quick. So we're gonna line up the GTR, Z01, and the RS7. So that should be a fun run. We're trying to get a freaking clean run in. That's all we ask. This is like the most important race right now of the whole night, is to line the GTR and the RS7. We're gonna do a 30 roll and then we're gonna do a 40 roll. I mean, I honestly think the RS7 is gonna spank it. Now if he's brake boosting though, that's gonna be interesting. I've never done it on that car, but I am in magic mode on this one, so I'll see what that looks like. so much worse than I thought it would be.
Oh my god.
That's not even. Okay, we're gonna do a 40 because yes, the 30 roll, we knew the torque on this car just gonna demolish that car. So that's fine. I was expecting that. We're definitely gonna do a 40, 45, whatever, and see, give the advantage to the GTR and see what that looks like. Actually, we're gonna do a 50. I'm gonna give him the top end on this one.
Or say that again.
All right, guys, 50 roll on this one. So we're gonna give the GTR the advantage. That should not be happening right now. That car looked like it was standing still.
It had no chance.
This
no
is crazy.
Chance.
Bro, what was that? Flyby. Meow.
Oh, so
That looks
look at
good, man. That looks good.
Look how fast he's going. Psych!
This is freaking amazing. This is a 4,500-pound car that is destroying GTR. I mean, it's not like, oh, she's slightly faster than me. No, this is like facts, proven. 30 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour. Yo, the drag strip is gonna be hilarious.
No, Charlotte.
Hilarious.
Charlotte, we're coming for you.
Oh, we're coming for Charlotte. Okay, so does this mean I can do turbos on this car? And I will sell my GTR? I'm telling you, this is such a sleeper. I mean, think about it. Nobody expects this car to do what it does, and it's just so consistent. What is going on? Unless he's doing something wrong, but there's no way. I mean, that car is super easy to launch. Dude, I should just sell the GTR. Fuck, it wasn't even close, bro.
What, the ZL1?
Not even. No, he didn't run the ZL1. I'm saying me and the GTR, bro.
How loud did you get the GTR?
Dude, buses. Buses, man. Buses. That is crazy. That is so insane.
I've raced everybody in this parking lot like 6 times tonight.
Well, yeah,
twice.
but they weren't clean though, man. I'm asking for a clean run.
I'll
do 100 to whatever.
You want to do 60? I'll do it if
That's
you do
fine.
a 60.
60.
We'll do one.
Okay, one.
One heading out.
I honk off.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, you honk off?
I honk.
Okay, yeah, you honk off.
Yes.
So we'll go to Tennessee, come back. On toast.
Oh man, let's go. I'm down. Let's run this. I gotta run this, man. I'll be honest though, putting bus lengths on my own GTR with my wife's car left a very, very bad impression on me. This monster is just, I don't know. Like, you can't blame the car. You can't say, you know, the guy didn't run the GTR correctly, didn't launch it correctly, he wasn't brake boosting. He was doing all of that, and there's just nothing he can do. I'm gonna run Michael one more time, get a super clean run in at 60, which is, you know, it is what it is. It's kind of too high for us, but I just want a clean run. Let's do it. Let's go. I'm waiting on you.
Did you get another shirt?
What do you mean? Yeah.
What the hell? Where's mine?
Yeah.
I want to get one that says. I want to get one that
first.
says I outran Lextasy.
Yeah, but you gotta beat me first, man. Get in your car.
All right,
let's run it, man.
You lead me out. I'll follow you. You want to honk it off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
He done told you.
So that way you don't jump anymore.
You get on my left, and then I'll pull up to you. We're doing a 60.
Yeah.
You might want to put it on the rear view.
Hey, after that, we gotta go.
I will. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what to say. You know, what are you thinking? You were the one looking at the car. I was just trying to hold this car still.
It was neck to neck.
No.
Neck to neck. Sorry, I know you didn't want to hear that, but that was neck to neck.
We might have to redo that one more time.
I don't think he's gonna want to.
Oh, why not? What do you mean? We just got to get no cars in front of us, because that was horrible. I mean, we
there
both
was a lot of cars.
hit cars, so we only got like through 2 gears both. But I don't know. I mean, he wasn't pulling. I didn't jump. We both launched at the same time.
Yeah, that was a clean. I
had boost lag for sure. I can feel it, but I mean, that was awesome. That is the cleanest one we've ever had.
Yep.
And I definitely want to do it again.
Yep.
And now we're going to do a 60 roll. But I'm telling you, man, we're with the big boys now. We really are. I mean, no matter how you slice it, you know what I mean? We really are. Is Michael gone? I think he's gone. I am super happy right now with this car. I can't wait to put it on the dyno. I mean, watch. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about when I say that it's got this lag. So Let's get around this corner. I'm gonna mash it, all right? So we're doing 70, right? Now watch what happens. 1, 2, 3. See what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like a good second before the car actually launches. So even in manual mode, it takes literally like a second for it to actually activate. But when it does, it's game over. I mean, you just got sucked in the seat at 70 miles an hour. That was kind of fun to watch. But I'm so happy. This is insane. All right, guys, now this is pretty cool, man. I've never been here, but this is a really cool dig spot that we have. I didn't even know about it. I mean, this is as straight as it gets. That's a good half a mile right there. I didn't even know about this road. It's definitely getting slick just by moving around. You can tell. I mean, it's pouring. You can tell. I don't know if you can see, but the whole camera is getting wet. Everything's getting wet. So I just got to say, this has been a fun night. I really wish we'd seen the dig race go down. I've never been on this road, and I've lived there for 20 years of my life. We might start using this road, and I think it's kind of in the quiet part of town as well, so the cops wouldn't get called or anything. But just like that, guys, all the boys, everybody's rolling out. Everybody's causing some havoc, but it's in the industrial side of things, so nobody's going to hear us. But if you love what you're seeing, smash the like button, smash that subscribe button, guys, and I will see you next episode, which is going to be putting the car on the dyno. The RS7 is not here. My wife already took off for home. We got this slow GTR we're driving. So thank you guys so much for all this love and support. Enjoy your lives, enjoy your friends, enjoy the sick cars you guys have, and I will see you next time. Peace.